Welcome back to The Space, a mindfulness podcast for everyone. We're going to soothe you into a screen-free slumber. Whether you're ready for bed or not, find a comfortable position and we'll begin. Take a slow breath in through your nose, hold and exhale through your nose. Do that one more time. In, hold, out. Now breathe easily and let your body start to settle. Ask yourself, why do I need to look at a screen as I fall asleep? Why have I lost faith in my own ability to fall asleep without it? On the nights when I feel content, safe and satisfied, is it as important? For the next few minutes, we're going to imagine an iPad screen. On the screen, replay your favourite moment from the last week or today. Take your time, replay a scene from your life in great detail. Choose a scene that brings up a feeling of safety or connection. We'll ring a soft bell when it's time to finish. According to experts, doing a mental replay of your day is a great way to build self-esteem and feelings of gratitude. Try it every night for a week and see if it replaces your bedtime screen time. Space out.